you struggling to boost sales in your small business? Do you find it challenging to attract and retain customers? According to the Small Business Administration, nearly 20% of small businesses fail within their first year and only 50% make it to the 5-year mark. One of the critical factors contributing to these statistics is the difficulty in generating consistent sales. But fear not, with the right strategies and a customer-centric approach, you can turn things around and see a significant increase in your sales. Hey everyone, this is Karanjot and welcome back to Softricks. Today we'll explore various methods to enhance your sales performance and take your small business to new heights. Now first, let's talk about the methods to increase sales for your small business. First comes developing and optimizing your website. Now under this comes first is build a user-friendly website. Now your website is often the first point of contact for potential customers and it needs to make a strong impression. Next is responsive design. Ensure your website is mobile friendly. With over 50% of web traffic coming from mobile devices, a responsive design is essential to provide a seamless user experience across all devices. Next is intuitive navigation. Make it easy for visitors to find what they're looking for. Use clear menus, categorize your products or services logically, and include a search bar for quick access. Next is fast load times. A slow website can deter potential customers. Optimize images, leverage browser caching, and use a content delivery network to speed up your site. Next is clear calls to action. Now guide your visitors towards taking desired action with clear and compelling CTAs, whether it's buy now, sign up, or learn more. Make sure these buttons stand out. The next category is implementing web page optimization. Now web page optimization is critical for both user experience and search engine ranking. Here's how to do it. First is SEO friendly URLs. Use clean, descriptive URLs that include keywords relevant to the content on the page. Next is meta tags optimization. Now optimize your meta titles and descriptions with relevant keywords to improve the click-through rates from search engine results. Next is alt tags for images. Include descriptive alt tags for all images to enhance accessibility and SEO. Next is internal linking. Use internal links to guide visitors to related content and help search engines understand the structure of your site. Next comes enhance your online presence with local SEO. Now local SEO is essential for small businesses looking to attract customers in their vicinity. Here's how to improve your local search visibility. Number one is Google My Business, that is GMB. Claim and optimize your GMB listing. Ensure your business name, address, phone number, and business hours are accurate. Add high quality photos and encourage customers to leave reviews. Next is local keywords. Incorporate local keywords into your website content. For example, if you are a bakery in Chicago, use phrases like Chicago Bakery or Best Bakery in Chicago. Next is citations and listings. Ensure your business is listed on local directories and citation sites such as Yelp, Yellow Pages, and local Chamber of Commerce websites. Consistency in your NAP across all listings is crucial. Next is localized content. Create content that resonates with local customers. Blog about local events, community news, or customer stories to engage your local audience. Next is showcase reviews. Display positive reviews on your website and social media to build trust and credibility. Next to it is implement effective paid advertising strategies. Google Ads can drive targeted traffic to your website quickly. Here's how to make the most of your campaigns. First is keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find relevant keywords that your potential customers are searching for. Focus on high intent keywords that indicate a readiness to buy. Number two is ad copy. Write compelling ad copy that highlights the benefits of your products or services. Include a strong CTA and use ad extensions to provide additional information like site links and call button. Number three is landing pages. Ensure your landing pages are optimized for conversions. They should match the ad's message and provide a clear path to the desired action, whether it's making a purchase, signing up, or requesting more information. Number 4, budget management. Set a realistic budget and use bidding strategies that align with your goals, such as maximizing clicks, targeting CPA or ROAS. 5th is social media advertising. Now, social media platforms offer robust advertising options that can help you reach a broader audience. Here's how to utilize them effectively. First comes platform selection. Choose the platforms that align with your target audience. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Pinterest each have different user demographics and engagement models. Next is audience targeting. Use detailed targeting options to reach specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. Create custom audiences based on website visitors, email lists, or previous customers. Next is ad formats. Experiment with different ad formats such as carousel ads, video ads, and stories. Now, each format has unique strengths and can engage users in different ways. Next is A/B testing. Continuously test different ad creatives, headlines, and CTAs to see what resonates best with your audience. Use the results to refine and optimize your campaigns. Next is remarketing. Now, remarketing campaigns can help re-engage visitors who have shown interest in your business but haven't converted. Show tailored ads that remind visitors of the products they viewed or encourage them to complete their purchase. Use dynamic ads to display relevant products. Set limits on how often your ads are shown to avoid overwhelming potential customers. The goal is to stay top of mind without being intrusive. Next comes utilize data analytics to track your performance. Now, use data analytics to track your marketing performance and sales metrics. Tools like Google Analytics, customer relationship management systems, and social media analytics can provide valuable insights into customer behavior and campaign effectiveness. Increasing sales in your small business requires a multifaceted approach that combines unique value propositions, customer-centric strategies, and innovative marketing techniques. By developing and optimizing your website, enhancing your online presence with local SEO, implementing effective paid advertising strategies, offering exceptional customer service, and utilizing data analytics, you can create a thriving business that attracts and retains customers. If you have any queries, please get in touch with our experts on WhatsApp or visit our website link. Hope you've enjoyed the insights. Drop a like, share your thoughts, and hit subscribe for more expert tips. Thanks for tuning in.